It's yet another soya milk video, but this is quite different because I decided to try something new. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you a different method of making soya milk. I decided to try this to see just how long my soya milk can last, and I'm gonna tell you the result of this practical. Okay, I succeeded to an extent. You'll find out before the end of this video. So this is my soya milk. I soaked this more than I was supposed to soak it. So usually you soak a soya beans for just few hours, or you soak it overnight. But this particular one, this drink that I'm making right now, I soaked my soya beans for 3 good days. Yes, you heard that right. So this is my soya milk 2 days. Like I soaked it for 2 days, and this is what you're saying. I was actually scared. I felt like this was going to go bad because we all know soya beans is not something that has a very long lifespan. Like it gets bad. So I decided to try this out, and I was going to bring this your way just like I'm doing if only I succeed. So I had to change the water after 2 days because it was bringing up those bubbles you were seeing, and I decided to just change it and then add clean water to it. So now this is day three. I have this and some of the soya beans floating. So I decided to check it if it is rotten or if it is still good. But luckily my soya beans was still okay. I just had to like take off some of the ones floating, very few of the ones floating, right? So I was trying my possible best to like check each of these things. I would press, try to break, and funny enough, it was still strong, it was still intact, it was still okay. The only thing is the peel, because I soaked this over time, the peel was just going off easily. So it wasn't like I was still going to cook it before washing off the peel. So mere washing this, I took off the entire peel. Just keep watching. Now, because I soaked my soya beans more than I was supposed to, I had to wash and wash and wash this. Like I washed my soya beans up to about 5 times because I was trying to get off that when you soak your corn, when you soak your stuffs for pap, that smell it gives when you soak it for like 3 days. That was almost the same smell I was getting when I soaked this for 3 days, right? So I was trying to wash it off, and I succeeded by taking off that particular smell. I washed up to 5 times, and yeah, there was no smell, and my beans was still intact. It wasn't rotten. Now, next, I went ahead to cook this. I did that off the camera, but you can see the smoke coming out of this water. I cooked it until, yeah, I cooked it for about 45 minutes or 30 minutes or thereabouts. So the essence was just to, when you cook your beans, it also helps your soya milk to last. Secondly, it softens your soya milk, and I've actually tried working with raw soya beans, like blending. When you blend raw soya beans, if you don't attend to it on time, it may start getting bad. But when you cook it and then you blend, it will sit and wait for you till like even hours. Okay, so cooking your soya beans before blending is ideal, it is advisable. So after cooking, I'm still going to wash. Like I washed again like 3 times after cooking. Not because it was smelling, it wasn't smelling. It was like a perfect beans, but I just choose to wash it. Next, I will proceed to blend. So for my blender, I'm going to wash it, and I just feel like this is the best way to wash it over and over again. So I just put it in clean water. The water is warm, and then I tried blending, and yeah, this is me trying to wash my blender. I'm using my immersion blender. Now I'm going to add chilled water to my soya beans. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys that this soya beans is just 1 cup, and this was actually left over from the tofu. I did tofu. I'm going to post the video. Yeah. So this was the leftover from that particular tofu. I just kept small, like I'm going to use it for something like this. So that's it. So this is just 1 cup of soya beans, just 1 cup. Okay, I'll go ahead to blend. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that. Click on the subscribe button. It is free. Like this video, share my video, drop a comment in the comment section. Just try to engage as much as you can. Thank you and God bless you. After blending, this is me saving this. So I added the second bottle of water, and I'm just going to go ahead and save more because I want to get off all the milk. Now I'm just going to mix them together. Remember, I use just 1 cup of soya beans. Now I'm going to add sugar to this to sweeten it. You can actually stop at this point if you want to, or you can go ahead and add salt like I did in my previous video, but I am not going to stop here because I want something more tasty. Like I want something tastier, so I'm going to add my flavor, milk flavor, and I'm also going to add vanilla flavor to this. Feel free to play around with any flavor of your choice. Now I'm going to do practical. So I'm going to divide this soya milk into two, right? Because I want to see just how long this soya milk will last. And that is actually the essence of me soaking this for 3 days. So I want to see how long it would last. Now I went ahead to rinse my bottle with hot water. I actually soaked the water, like I soaked it in hot water, and then I also rinsed it with hot water. Like I kept the hot water inside the bottle and I left it for some time. Okay, so that is like me trying to sterilize the bottle, which is advisable. Remember, I'm trying to see just how long the soya milk would last. Now I just separated 1 bottle and I'm going to keep that aside. That is going to serve as a specimen to see how long the soya milk would last. Now to this, I'm going to add milk powder to it. Now if you add milk powder, I'm also going to tell you how long this one I added milk powder lasted. Just keep watching the video, okay? It's becoming more interesting. Now, I'll go ahead to dissolve my milk powder. After that, I'll add it into my bowl of soya milk and mix everything together. The taste is heavenly. This actually tastes so good. This tastes so good. Now, this ones with milk, it lasted up to 3 days. Yes, because I actually gave out two of it, and then I kept one and I consumed it the third day, and it was still intact, but I kept it in the fridge. Okay, it didn't freeze, but it was chilled and it was still intact even with milk for 3 days. Now the one without milk, I kept it in the fridge. It was still intact for 7 good days, like 1 week. It was still intact. Do you guys know that I decided to bring it out of the fridge because, like I said, that was our specimen. I decided to bring it out of the fridge to see just how it can survive outside the refrigerator. And guess what? The next day it went bad. So guys, my advice is that if you are not adding preservative into your soya milk, leave it in your refrigerator and it's going to last for you for as long as you want it to last for you. So guys, thanks for watching. What do you think about this? Leave it in the comment section.